Why are there not more people talking about mushrooms? They're like the secret superheroes of the food world. Packed with nutrients, mushrooms are low in calories and high in antioxidants. These little fungi can boost your immune system thanks to their rich vitamin D content. And guess what? They can help lower your cholesterol too. Need more reasons to love them? Mushrooms are great for your brain, keeping it sharp and focused. Plus, they're a fantastic source of protein for vegetarians. Throw them in a salad, add them to your pasta, or simply saute them as a side dish. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to grab some mushrooms. Your body will thank you. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep munching on those mushrooms.